Our menu bars are shrinking and the browser is eating the desktop. Instead of using apps in different windows, we use web apps in different browser tabs. The operating system used to be the home for our digital lives. We cared deeply about what apps we used, how we styled the desktop, and became familiar with system wide functions. It wasn't perfect, but everything you wanted to do was in one place that you could customize. As our lives moved from the desktop to the internet, the interfaces we used didn't change to reflect this shift. People have no central identity or homepage on the internet or in their browser that's the root of everything they do. It's up to the individual to create their own workflows, which are often imperfect and require hacks. In addition, people have a hard time using multiple web apps because each app has its own set of rules and functions that it abides by, instead of system-wide functions that users can become familiar with and that also let data from different apps interact. I've always dreamed of an operating system that treated internet data as a first-class citizen the same way it does for files. What if key elements and data on a web page were something that were a part of the operating system, something that you can change and reuse? You can run a function globally on data matching a type, not the functions an app has for it. So all text can have the same functions, all spreadsheets, etc. Imagine this operating system as a tool that gives you built-in read-write access to the internet. Instead of living our lives in multiple apps, we grab the data we need from different apps as part of the operating system and organize tasks and spaces we want to work in. Not only could such native integrations make it easier for people to get things done, but it could also bring a new wave of personalization back to the internet, something that's been missing since at least the MySpace days. If we think about the internet as a data source and the screen as a canvas that anyone can build on, even if you don't know how to code, then anyone can build anything or express themselves however they want. What we use on the internet can be much more specific to our needs and much more expressive of our beliefs and aspirations. Want to talk about the next internet OS or help me build it? Drop me a line.